Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a what's in my bag. This is a quick video lang, as in super bilis. So this is my bag for tonight, today. So first is I have two hair tools with me. Wait lang. I have this kind of brush or comb, yung malalaki, and then meron akong ganito. Super tagal na ito sa akin. Parang mga 3 years na siya. And it's still okay. In a perfect condition. This is from Miniso. And I bought this one sa supermarket. Yan. Next one is, of course, I have mask. Ubus na siya. But super dami nito. Ewan ko lang. May nag-uubos kasi. Alright, and then, I have alcohol. Wala nang laman. So, ayan siya. And I have some phone cases lang. Dun sa isang phone. Yan. Tapos, may lotion. Ubus na. This is from Myra. And then, what else? I have my ID. Ito pala inaanap ko. Di ko makita kanina. Ito lang. Ito lang yung valid ID ko, diba? And I have a toiletry kit with me. So, of course, I have panty liner, my mouthwash, pH care, deo, wallet. Yeah, I have then. I have my coin purse. Yung wallet ko na dun sa vault. Kala mo dami naman. So, this is my makeup kit. Super ano lang na to. Konti. I have blotting paper. Just in case na kailangan nyo siya. This is my perfume. It's from Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals. This is only just a decant. And I have Becca na ipanimasan. It's a bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer. Yan. And then, lip tint. This is from Cosmetic Potions in the shade Olivia. It's what I'm wearing right now. And then, naglagay lang ako ng lip balm or lip gloss. Ito yung ginamit ko. It's from Transcend by Heide. This brand owns by my relative sa US. So, maganda siya. And then, I have, of course, pen. You should always have pen with you. Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade Barely Legal. I just use this on my blush kasi pag sa lips, drying siya. Love, hinaan mo nga. Next is, of course, for my brows. This is my go-to brow product. And this is from Chris. Collaboration with Every Belena. I like using the brow mascara. And this is in the shade of dark brown. And not the last but not the least is my headset. Sira-sira na to. So, ayun ang wallet ko nandun. Walang laman yun. Just a few cards, a few cash. And I think that's all. I don't have anything here na. I have one toothpick just in case that I need it. And wala na. Ayun na. So, that's all the things that I have inside my bag. It's very few because this staycation here, well, super biglaan lang niya. And supposedly, I'm just gonna be here sa Manila like for 1 or 2 days, but 3 days na yata ako dito. 34 days now. So, yeah, that's about everything about my, what's in my bag. And I'll see you on my next video.